Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix Messenger video call Earphone not working. If your earphone aren't working for a Messenger video call, you could try the steps. So first thing first, what you could do is check your device settings. Now make sure your phone's sound and vibration settings are turned on. So for that, you want to go to the settings and you want to go to sound and vibration, after which you could go to call vibration, all that. Or else what you could also do is long press the messenger application, then go to the app info section, and after which you want to go ahead and select permission, and here you want to go ahead and make sure that you've enabled all sort of permission like this. So once you've done it, so you could also go ahead and open up your messenger application, after which you want to go to the tab bar icon, and then you could go to the settings from the top right. Then here you want to go ahead and look for notification and sound and make sure that all of these informations are toggled on or turned on. And after which you could also try checking whether the headphone is compatible with your device or not. Sometimes the issue might be with the earphone itself, so you could check or you could try it onto the other devices as well. Likewise, you could also make sure to have a good internet connection that should be able to fix the issue as well. Or else, if nothing seems to be working out, then restarting your device can be an essential steps to fix this issue. So these are some of the ways to fix Messenger video call earphone not working issue. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.